Kitchen features we like to integrate in our kitchen designs. There's first of all the pantry. Pantry with some pantry drawers, and here this is an appliance cabinet, so your appliances are out of sight during the day. On the side of the island bench, we have integrated power points, including USB slots. Very handy are pull-out bins. Just pull them out, put everything in, different compartments, and close it. We like to specify dishwashers that are fully integrated. That means you have exactly the same panel at the front as your entire kitchen. Here we have a pull-out cabinet where you have your oven trays stored, and here is one to hang up your tea towels. We have an integrated sip tap, so you have boiling water always instantly integrated in a normal tap, so you need only one tap which services all of those features. And on the side, a soap dispenser, keeping your island bench clutter-free. If you have any comments on kitchen features, just let me know in the comments below. Thank you. Bye.